Another day one test then. Well, not quite day one, as you can see I've changed. Anyway, using the 18-55 just because I can zoom in and out and it seems smooth enough. Using the Viltrox screen, I can see it's actually on my eye properly, and now I've worked out which eye I'm supposed to be pointing at. But this video, I'm testing the F-Log. Now, 4K isn't something that I've been shooting a lot of, but now I'm testing even more with the T3 to see if it's something I'm going to put into my workflow. And F-Log, even less. We've had it in previous models, if is it on the X Pro 2, but definitely on the T2 that I own. I'm going to try and put some graded footage alongside the ungraded footage. It'll be pretty obvious, but do note I'm not a video expert, as you already know, cheek, and also even less a grading expert. I just know very basics with Final Cut. So this is just going to be initially a flat test to see how we get on, and for me to see how I get on with editing the files and processing the files. I've already learnt a while back how to use proxy files so that my 4K footage works better. The MacBook Air, that I'm using at the moment while I'm out and about, the GPU isn't great, so I'm having a little bit of issue with the 4K footage. A couple of the samples I've done, I've had to cut a frame every now and then. Somebody might have a solution out there to help me with that, but so far I've got it down to getting the proxy files working so I can get it done. It does take a lot longer than when I use 1080p, so I'm still not sure. But now, do I want to be messing with F-Log? Maybe if I shoot something particularly nice that's not just my face. As if my face isn't nice enough. Actually, I need to blow my nose. Right, so that's F-Log. Very quick. Out of the T3. 4K, 24 frames per second. ISO, I think I set it to wide open, 2.8 and 4 when it's zoomed in with this 18-55. It's just a quick F-Log test. We need to get out and do it in some more interesting environments, but first and foremost for me, I want to see if I'm going to use the T3 for pieces to camera. So far, so good. But yes, stay tuned. Review coming soon.